Hello, friends. Greetings to all. I am Milind and glad to have this opportunity to present English version of Swagat, meaning monologue, which is authored by Chandrakant Page. Mr. Chandrakant Page is Chief Counselor of Mission Online Counseling. I welcome you to Monologue series, wherein Page sir has presented his brainstorming on different subjects. Today's topic is decision, success, and imperfection. Being afraid of the situation, no decision is taken, and this is cowardice. Rather, at times, to say, come what may, and face the situation is still better decision, is what I think. I many times have experienced this. As well, my decisions have been wrong, but at least I got to learn what to do for not getting success. One who does not take decision learns nothing. One journalist in an interview interrogated a renowned industrialist. Sir, what is the secret formula of your success? Industrialist answered, right decisions made by me in my life. Journalist further queried, but how did you develop the capability of taking right decisions? Industrialist responded, well, it's based on my long experience. Journalist, and now the last question, sir. What is the secret of your deep experience? Industrialist smiled. Ah, the wrong decisions I have taken in my life. In this world, whoever we see as successful in their past life have tasted failure due to their own mistakes. We consider failure as unsuccess, but factually, failure is not unsuccess. Rather, surrendering to the situation and not rebounding is unsuccess. Galileo invented many things, but prior to that, thousands of experiments had failed. No human on this earth is perfect. In fact, since he is incomplete, he is human. Else, he would have been God Almighty. Let's think for a moment that there is flood and whole world is drowned and we alone are alive on the whole planet. Rest of all people, animals are all dead. Everything is drowned. Nothing is remaining. For us, what a frightening state of mind that would be. Now, in this situation, without any material, equipments being available, would it be possible for us to make even a small thing as small as a needle or a comb or maybe a bulb? Not possible, right? Inventions, technology, revolution done by others have made it possible for us to utilize, enjoy modern gadgets. We show off our luxury car or expensive mobile phone and feel ourselves to be superlative. Is it possible for anyone alone to produce anything? No. Reason being, we are incomplete. But through our demeanor, we pretend as if in the universe we are the only one to be perfect. This approach has led to the growing skill of criticism, which is of no use to anyone. Friends, I sincerely thank you for being an audience to this thought provoking monologue series. I wish you a pleasant day.